Hey Bladen, it's time for our math lesson. Today we are talking about division fact families and we're using base 10 blocks to explore them. So what I need you to do is go to Canvas Math Modules and you'll see one for today's date. It's 10/26/20 and click on the link that says Interactive Base 10 Blocks. Hopefully it's a little faster than the link we tried to use for science, but I don't really know. When I'm recording, it just seems like it's a little slow. All right, we're going to open it in a new window. All right, so we're starting division today. We've been working on multiplication. Hopefully we know that division is the opposite of multiplication. When you are multiplying, you are taking equal groups and combining them, putting them together. Division is the opposite of that, where we have a big number and we're taking equal groups out. So we're separating out equal groups. So we're going to build an array. First, we're going to build, I guess, a 4x2. Okay, I think that's the right number of blocks. So I'm going to put them into an array, which, of course, an array always has to be a rectangle. And if I'm 4x2, I'm going to put 4. Whoop, I missed. Let me resituate that. All right, I've got 4 in a row. So I'm going to have a top row that has 4 and a bottom row that has 4. So just dragging with my mouse, which I wish I had attached my external mouse. Okay, so now we have a 4x2 rectangle or array. I'm going to come down here and I have one function that is called the keypad, and I'm going to press it. And it's going to put this gray box somewhere, and I'm going to try to write my fact family in here. So I know that 4 times 2 equals, well, what does it equal? Let's count those up. So 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, 4 plus 4 is 8. So 4 times 2 is 8. I'm going to close this because I want another box to type in, and I can drag it wherever I need to. So we know because of commutative property that 2 times 4 also equals 8. And that commutative property just means we can switch the two numbers that we're multiplying, the factors, around, and we still get the same product. So you can think of this as 2 rows with 4 each, or you can think of it as 4 columns with 2 each. Either way, we end up with 8. Now we want to add the division facts to this fact family. Whoops, that was my phone hitting the floor. Sorry. All right, and we're going to go ahead and move this box because I don't know what happens if we try to move it later. It seemed to be giving me some trouble earlier. So I need to start with the whole and break it into equal groups. So this time I'm starting with 8, and I'm going to divide it by, well, we can either divide it into 4 groups. And if we did that, we would end up with 2 cubes in each group. Or for my last fact, oh, did I hit it? It's either just really slow or I missed. I think I might have missed. Okay, there we go. I'm going to drag my last box down here. And I still started with 8, but this time I'm going to divide it into 2 groups. And so how many would be in each group? It would be 4. And you can use the picture to see that. If I have this 8 and I think of it as 2 groups, how many are in each group? Well, there's 4 in this top group and 4 in the bottom group. Or if I separate it into 4 groups, that would be the ones that are the columns that are going down. And I would have 2 in each group. 2 in the first group, 2 in the second group, 2 in the third group, 2 in the fourth group. Okay. So now you've seen how to use this website. I want you to go use it yourself. And I want you to build 3 times 6 and show me the fact family. And then I guess what you'll need to do is do a screen capture, which would be Windows Shift, holding both of those down, hit S, and then drag your rectangle over the area you want to capture, and then go put it in your math notebook. So that is 3 times 6. Thanks so much.